Number 12. The dipole moment of NF3 is much lower than that of NH3. The reason may be, and 4 reasons are given. The first one is, in ammonia NH3, nitrogen N is having negative polarity. The second reason, in NF3, N is having a positive polarity. Third, F is more electronegative than hydrogen. And the fourth one, the resultant dipole moment in NH3 is much higher. The fourth one. And the options are A, according to A, only 3. So option B, that is option B gives 2 and 3. So we have to select statements 2 and 3. And according to option C, only 2. And option D, all of these. Now if we analyze that, in NH3, nitrogen is electronegative, more electronegative than hydrogen. Therefore, nitrogen attains negative polarity, hydrogen positive. So that is given here. N is having negative polarity. In NF3, fluorine is more electronegative than nitrogen. Therefore, fluorine is negative and nitrogen is positive. In NF3, N is having positive polarity. That is also true. And fluorine is more electronegative. Is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. Therefore, the third one is also correct. F is more electronegative than hydrogen. That is also true. And the fourth one, the resultant dipole moment in NH3 is much higher. Much higher is given. And if you analyze that statement alone, then we can go for all of this. For example, in NH3, the lone pair of electrons are here, and the three hydrogens, and dipole moment acts. This is for the lone pair of electrons, and the for hydrogen to nitrogen, dipole moment starts. So all are in one direction. Therefore, the net dipole moment is very high. But in the case of NF3, what happens? Same lone pair of electron and F are there. But what happens? Here one dipole moment acts in one direction, all other acts in the opposite direction. Therefore, the net dipole, this will give one dipole moment. Here also dipole moment. Net resultant dipole moment will be very much less. So in ammonia, since all the dipole moments acts in one direction, it is very, very high. Therefore, the statement 4 also gives the correct answer. And on going through all the options, we can select D. All of these, all are correct.